I am new in YouTube. Please like and subscribe to my channel and videos. Today, our content will be how to make paper boats and paper airplanes. This is my sister MarqaeusAntoineR, my small sister. So, the first is paper plane. It's very easy. Start horizontal and fold it in half like this. And now unfold it. Make fold two. You make two like this. And now make it in half again. The hardest part is you need to do like this until it reaches. And do it in the other side. And now unfold it now. And here you go, our paper airplane. So next thing is the paper boat. We need to do similar like this. Half, but it's not gonna be similar. You don't need to unfold it. You will not unfold it. Not like the paper airplane. You need to fold it in half again. And now unfold it. Make two like these again, like almost similar. Make sure these opens and these closes. So next thing you need to do these. Do it in the other side too. And now look in the bottom and do this into a square. Make sure that and also you make sure these are here and do this. And now flip it over and do the same. Look, and make it into a triangle. Do it similar to the other one. Happy song. You do this. Happy song. And now you pull it. And mommy, happy. Happy mommy. Paper boat. Happy. Now you need to do this. And now, look. It's a paper boat. So thanks for watching this video. And thank you for subscribing and like.